Up until now, we've just been creating static pages, but what's the point of using any web programming language if we're just going to be pumping out static pages? We want our pages to be dynamic, so we want to pass data to them. So let's create a route called Dino's favorite cars. So we'll just put in Dino's favorite cars as a URI. That's a callback function, and it's going to return a view, and we're going to call this favorite car this week. Why favorite car this week? Well, because my mind changes from week to week. Alright, so now we have this route, and it's going to return this view. So let's go ahead and create this view. So inside our views folder, we're going to right click, new file, and we're going to call this fave car this week blade.php. Alright, let's do an HTML5 snippet. And we're going to say Dino's favorite car right there. And inside the body, we're going to do Dino's favorite car this week is the Ferrari 458 GT3. So let's go ahead and go back to our browser. And what do we call this route? We called it Dino's favorite cars. So we can just copy that, / that, and there we go. Well, so far we've just created another static page. How can we make this page dynamic and pass a different vehicle to it whenever my mind changes? Well, pretty easy actually. The view function accepts a second argument. So the first argument is the view file name, and the second argument is actually a list of arguments that we want to pass to that view. Well, in this tutorial, we'll just pass one argument. So we have to pass this as an array, and you'll see later on in the next tutorial why. But for now, we're going to name this car as the key, and we're going to say Ferrari 458 GT3 right there. Now we can display the param in Blade by either dipping into PHP or using the Blade syntax. I will show you how to do both, even though the next few videos will just be using PHP syntax so that the transition to Laravel is not scary. I want to cover only one topic at a time and not confuse you whatsoever, so we'll just type in Dino's favorite car this week, and for the time being, just type in PHP right here, dip into PHP, echo car. Now, where's this car variable coming from? Well, Laravel automatically converts this key into a variable that we can use inside our Blade file. So let's go ahead and save that. And go over here, refresh, and there are no errors. So Ferrari 458 GT3. I did say I was going to show you how to use a Blade syntax as well. So for the time being, you just do double curly braces like that, and just say car. If we go back, hit refresh, there it is. So that car right there, surrounded by these double curly braces, is pretty much exactly the same thing as writing that right there. Well, great. Now we can change vehicles. Next week, I guarantee you that I'll change my mind and will say something like Ferraris are overpriced for no reason. I'm more JDM anyway, and I'll just wait till 2024 and get my R34 GTR like I've always wanted. So we're going to go ahead and modify that, and we're going to go ahead and say R34 Skyline GTR. Go back, hit refresh, and there we go. So next week, Dino's favorite car is going to be the R34 Skyline GTR.